Phagocytes are a type of immune cell that is found in the blood. They are needed for fighting infections and sustaining immunity. Phagocytosis is the fancy or complex or scientific name that is given to one of the processes by which a cell, in this case our phagocytes, eats, that is, taking nutrition. Our phagocyte for today will be our dear friend Leon. And our unfortunate guest star, the virus, Connor. And here we have our lovely member, Phagocyte. So, where were you born?
In the bone marrow.
Interesting. So, where can you be found these days?
Blood, bone, and bone tissue.
And here we have our other contender, Connor, the virus. So how are you feeling today?
I want to die.
You can't, can you? You're a virus, you're not alive.
My life is a lie.
You're dead already.
Here we have our phagocyte, no problem. He notices the unwary virus. And he swoops and engulfs the cell to be engulfed, and then pinches off to create a phagosome, which is like a little vacuole inside itself, which contains the engulfed material, our friend Connor here. The cell then breaks it down using enzymes that we will talk about later. Phagocytes are a very interesting form of a white blood cell. They have various adaptations that allow them to attach to certain foreign molecules or foreign bacteria and ingest and basically break them down. For example, one of their adaptations are the pseudopods, which are little like protrusions that help them attach to the bacteria itself. Another specific adaptation for phagocytes is the ability to produce certain enzymes that will help break the foreign body down. Furthermore, a type of disease which can be caused when the phagocytes cannot construct their enzymes needed to digest the foreign particles is called chronic granulomatous disease. This occurs and is a genetic or inherited disease in which the body cells that eat certain invaders, which are the phagocytes, do not make hydrogen peroxide and other chemicals need to kill certain bacteria, molds, or viri. Consequences of the CGD are bone damage, infections, chronic infections in the nose, pneumonia, lung damage, skin damage, and swollen lymph nodes. Consequences of CGD are bone damage, chronic infections in the nose, pneumonia that keeps coming back and is hard to cure, lung damage,
My lungs.
skin damage,
Oh no.
and swollen lymph nodes that stay swollen. And the winner of this matchup is the phagocyte. And for a little extra information, this is what phagocytes use to kill foreign cells. First of all, they create oxygen radicals, which are formed in phagocytes such as neutrophils, or they are written right here. They possess one unpaired electron, which makes them very reactive, able to damage complex molecules such as proteins. And they can produce proteases, which are enzymes that break down proteins, and antimicrobial peptides, which will help break down peptides in the virus. And finally, hydrogen ions are released by the hydrogen ion transporters in the vacuole, which is called the phagolysosome, which is basically like the vacuole, which turn the environment in the vacuole acidic, which can help kill the virus.
Hello, blazes.
Thank you.